Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I will show you how to create your first automation in Zapier using the built-in AI tool. Once you have signed into your Zapier account, you will land on the main dashboard. At the very top, you will notice a text box that says something like, describe what you want to automate. Click inside that field and simply type what you need using plain English. For example, you can write, when someone submits a Google form, send a thank you email through Gmail. Next, press enter or click the suggestion that pop-ups. Zapier will now generate an automation called a zap based on your prompt. You will see a simple visual workflow with two main steps, a trigger and an action. In our case, the trigger is the Google form submission and the action is sending an email via Gmail. If everything looks good, go ahead and click try it to open the Zap for editing and final step. That's it. And guys, that's how easy it is to build your first Zap with the help of AI. No coding needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.